India wants to change its name from India to Bharat. Actually, Narendra Modi wants to change the name of the country. Number 1. He believes that the word Bharat is a Sanskrit word that has been used to refer to India for centuries. It is associated with the Hindu epic, the Mahabharata, and it is seen by many Hindus as a more ancient and authentic name for the country. Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) is a Hindu nationalist party, and it has been trying to promote a more Hindu-oriented identity for India. Number 2. He believes that the name India was first used by the British, and it is seen by some as a reminder of colonial rule. Modi has said that he wants to change the name of India to recapture the soul of the nation and to free India from the shackles of its colonial past. Number 3. Modi believes that changing the name of India would boost national pride and make the country more assertive on the world stage. He has said that he wants India to be seen as a Vishwaguru or global leader. But some people think that the truth behind the name change is something else. In fact, the name of one of the big alliances formed against Modi is India. So the Modi government is now looking to change the name of India. Today we will summarize in this video that India and Bharat are actually the same word. Actually, whenever we speak in English, we speak and write India. And when we speak in Hindi, we speak and write Bharat. In many places, both the words India and Bharat are used officially. For example, the word India is written on the passport of the country, and the word Bharat is also written. The only difference is that India we write and speak in English, and Bharat we write and speak in Hindi. And in the very first line of the Indian Constitution, both India and Bharat are used for the country. Let us solve this confusion today and tell you that both the word India and Bharat are centuries old words, and India is also clearly written in the Constitution. The name India and Bharat have both been used to refer to the Indian subcontinent for centuries. The name India is derived from the Indus River, which flows through the northwestern part of the subcontinent. The name Bharat is derived from the Sanskrit word Bharta, which refers to a legendary king or tribe. The name India was first used by the Greeks and Romans to refer to the Indus River Valley. The name was later adopted by the Arabs and Persians, and eventually by the Europeans. The name India became the standard name for the subcontinent in the English language during the colonial period. The name Bharat has a longer history in the Indian subcontinent. It is mentioned in the Rig Veda, one of the oldest Hindu scriptures, as the name of a tribe or kingdom. The name Bharat was also used by the Gupta Empire, which ruled much of the subcontinent in the 4th and 5th centuries CE. In the modern era, the name Bharat has been revived by some Hindu nationalists. They urge that the name India is a colonial legacy and that the name Bharat is more authentically Indian. In these years, there have been calls to officially change the name of the country to Bharat. The debate over the name India and Bharat is a complex one. There are historical, cultural, and political factors at play. Ultimately, it is up to the people of India to decide which name they prefer. By the way, in my opinion, both the names are officially correct. So guys, if you like this information, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your loved ones.